Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create a smooth zoom transitions for your videos in CapCut. So first, just add your clips to CapCut. You can add more than 2 clips, but I'm only using 2. And after that, you can just click on the transition box in between the clips, then select the then and now transition. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.5 seconds. Now click on the second clip, go to animation. Under the in category, select the zoom to animations. Okay, find the zoom to. Okay, this one's right here, and adjust it for 1 second. Click on the check icon and you are done. So here is the smooth zoom transition. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.